Hello guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel! We are heading to...
Den Haag.
Den Haag! Punta namin si... Who's that guy?
Ferrari.
Who's we gonna visit?
Duterte.
Huh?
Duterte.
Hindi niya ma-pronounce yung pangalan ni Duterte. Sabi niya, Duterte. So, day off niya kasi guys. Tomorrow may pasok na siya. At niyaya niya ako sa kung saan daw ako pupunta. Sabi ko, let's go to Den Haag because I've never been there. Oh, that's nice. Na-distract na naman ako. Nabilis ko ma-distract talaga. So, sabi ko, punta kami doon sa ICC. Since gusto ko siya. Hindi si Duterte ha. Gusto ko ma-visit yung ICC. Kasi nandun naman siya sa loob. So, pupunta lang kami doon kasi maganda daw doon and malaki yung city. Ano siya? Third, right? Third largest city?
No.
Third
Largest city after Rotterdam.
Yeah, second is Rotterdam and third is Den Haag. Den Haag yung ano doon, pronunciation sa yung sinasabi lang The Hague. Is it in English The Hague? Or
Nee.
I don't know. Pero kasi ang tawag nila doon is Den Haag. So, malapit na kami kasi hindi naman siya malayo sa place namin. Since sa Utrecht kami, so middle kami. And then, malapit lang talaga siya sa ano. Malapit kami sa mga city. Like Amsterdam. Like that. So, ayun. Anong oras na din? Mga magti-3 na. And sobrang lamig ngayon sa labas. Mga 15 degrees, 14. Mga ganun. Kaya nakasuot ako ng winter jacket. Yun lang guys. Update ko kayo ulit later. Guys, nandito na kami sa ICC. Ayan o. Pero naghahanap lang kami ng parking. Kung saan kami pwede mag-park. Kasi bawal ata dito. So, may mga Pinoy ako nakita doon. Kunti lang sila. Ayan.
It's right here. You'll find something.
Here?
What does this go?
The orange? There's no parking here. Nakapag-parking na kami guys. So magbabayad muna kami. Baby.
I have to download the app.
What app?
Account. So,
Ang dami ng ano. Malaglag na dahon. Ganito magbayad ng parking guys. Ilalagay mo lang yung plate number and bibigyan kanila ng card. Good?
yeah. So, that's it.
Dito kami dadaan. Shortcut. Kasi doon lang sa kabila yung ano, ICC. Sobrang lamig guys. Ayun yung kasama ko. Oh, there's a food. Ayan na yung ICC, guys. Malapit na kami. Nakalabas na kami ng kuweba. Tada! We're here!
Yes, pendant.
Nantante daw. Ayun yung ICC. International Criminal Court. Finally, nandito na kami.
What are you doing there? What are you doing there?
Taking a picture. ICC. Ito lang yung pinunta namin, guys. Mag-picture dito.
Let's go to say hi to him?
It's not allowed.
Really? We can be as a visitor.
Only family.
Okay.
So, naglalakad-lakad lang kami dito. Naghanap kami ng ibang magandang place. Go there, babe.
Where?
There, ah.
See, you cannot make pictures, you cannot stand.
Oh, really?
Or can we?
Oh, yeah. It's not allowed. Tignan niyo ito, guys. Wow. Fly! You're crazy. Babalik na kami sa parking, guys. And pupunta kami sa center ng Den Haag. Wala naman masyadong mapasyalan dito. Since
Yeah, we'll have a coffee somewhere
Yeah.
for sure.
let's have a book.
See, they went somewhere on the right.
Let's
Oh,
go.
yeah. Look. The red. Well, we never saw those before, right? Is it the first time? You don't have that in Philippines?
But we have
Big.
crocodile. We
Okay.
have so many crocodiles.
Where?
And government.
Yeah, we've been also here. Okay.
Ang ganda nito, guys, oh. Papunta na kami sa center, pero na-traffic kami dito. Traffic, traffic. Are you hungry?
No.
You want coffee?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than they should. Golden hour paints a dream like the.
Nandito na kami sa center ng Den Haag. Ang ganda dito, guys. Ang laki ng pasyalan. Tapos meron silang Chinatown dito. Ayan, oh. Ready na yung pang Christmas nila. Maghanap kami ng coffee shop kasi nagugutom na ako. Ang ganda dito. May pa Christmas light na sila. Ayan o. May clown dito. May naligaw na clown. May nahanap na kami. Keep and patat. Here. This looks nice.
You like it?
This one? Wow, it's good. Sarap. Kakain muna ako guys. Nag-order lang siya ng coffee. Tapos ito yung order ko. Chicken. Oh, sorry. Looks yummy. Kain muna kami para may gana kami mag-ikot-ikot mamaya. Sa center. Medyo malambot yung suso. Ang lambot ng kutsara nila. Ano to, kakamayin ko? Chicken wings pala to in order. Tapos, fried rice.
Is it this one? The beef palace.
Beef palace. Ano? Sarap naman ako. Mukbang. Wow. Bek? Ingat? Tapos na kami kumain. And umaambon na. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta ngayon. Lalakad-lakad lang kami dito sa city. Sobrang ganda dito sa Den Haag. Ayan. Napakita ko sa inyo. Di ba ang ganda? Puro bicycle lang yung namaan dito. Oh, may tram. Where are we going now, babe?
The car.
Go home?
To your castle. This is the castle. Well, I'm not sure we're going to find parking there.
Oh, we gotta find. And then we will go home after? We will go home after?
Yeah. That's good.
Okay.
Well, maybe let's go to stop.
Where?
Shop. Buy some for dinner. Now, if you want some.
We are going back to the parking. Ang ganda talaga dito. Dito walang mga car na dumadaan. Puro bike lang. Kasi ano siya, for tourists lang. Nandito na kami guys sa Please Palace. Ang ganda oh. Ayan. Wala masyadong tao dito. What a nice palace. Hmm? Hindi siya na-justify sa camera pero ang ganda. Where are you going? No.
Huh?
No.
Good in every language. Let's find Lithuanian.
What language? Every country?
Oh look.